So I'll just give me a minute. It's really hot. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. It's just really hot in my room. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So the next question reads, how do you factor 8x cubed plus 27? Okay, so we're going to be using the sum of cubes rule to help us factor this. So the sum of cubes rule basically explains that that we can factor a sum of cubes in two different ways, depending on what the sign is. So let me just pick another one. So I'm going to write sum of cubes. Yeah. Okay, so the first one is a cubed plus b cubed. And the factors for this is going to be a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, so that's the first, I guess, the first part of the sum of cubes. The second one is pertaining to a cubed minus b cubed. That will equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so these are the sum of cube rules, and they apply to a cubed plus b cubed and a cubed minus b cubed. All right, so looking at our original question here, we have 8x cubed plus 27. So we need to write it in this kind of form. Okay, so we're kind of there already. We have x cubes, right? But how about 8 and 27? Can they be written in a cubic form? And they can. So we can write 8x cubed plus 27 as 2x cubed plus 3 cubed, okay? And this is where your knowledge of cubic powers comes in, because 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So 3 cubed is equivalent to 27. And 8x cubed is equivalent to 2x times 2x times 2x, because 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. And x times x is x squared, and x squared times x is x cubed. So we can write our original expression in this form. And now we can apply the sum of cubes form, right? And by applying it, we see that this can be written as, so a plus b, so we're going to write 2x plus 3 times a squared, so 2x. So a lot of people think, oh, our a is 2x to the power of q, or to the power of 3, which is wrong, right? Your a is going to be what's inside the brackets. So it's going to be 2x squared, so it's 4x squared, minus a times b, so 2x times 3, which is minus 6x, and then b squared, so plus 9. Okay? So this is how we write it. This is how we factor any power, any sum of cubes. Okay. So this solution is correct. You included an equals sign instead of the addition operator. Okay, cool. So everything is clear. So this solution is correct, and we'll move on to the next question.